this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Cash App account in Africa, covering Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and more. Follow these simple steps and you'll be set up in no time. Let's get started. The first and most important step is to remove your SIM card from your mobile phone. This ensures that your Cash App registration avoids regional restrictions that might block the app. Next, connect your phone to a secure Wi-Fi network. This is essential because Cash App works better without depending on your mobile network, especially when you're registering from regions where it's not officially supported. To bypass regional restrictions, download and set up Windscribe VPN. It's a free and reliable VPN app available in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and connect to a server in the United States. Once connected, head over to your App Store, either Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and download the Cash App. Make sure it's the official app by checking for the green logo and verifying the developer's name, Square Inc. Now open the Cash App and start the registration process. Enter your email address or a phone number that isn't linked to your SIM card yet. Then follow the prompts to create your account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Cash App account in Africa. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.